In this video, we're going to show a couple of the properties that we've learned in the last quarter using this pool table. You've got inelastic collisions, you've got elastic collisions, you've got transfer of energy, you've got kinetic energy, a bunch of the properties that we've learned. Starting from most recent, we have elastic collisions. Every time one of the balls hits the bumper gives in a bit and then bounces the ball away. But you got inelastic collisions every time one ball hits another ball, because the balls don't give in at all. And you also have you've got kinetic energy as the ball travels down the table. You've got transfer of kinetic energy from the ball to the bumper back to the ball, and it's also an impulse because the momentum of the ball changes to the opposite direction. So you got that one. And then you also have an inelastic collision every time you hit the cue ball with the pool stick. And if you put those all together, it's basically every time you play pool, you go through with every one of those properties. So, alright. There we go. Now, when I hit the cue ball, it transferred all of the energy from the stick into the ball. Then the ball traveled down the table with its momentum and knocked into all the other ones. It transferred all of its momentum into all these other balls, and elastic collisions caused them to go everywhere. And then you just keep playing. Well, that isn't exactly what I wanted to happen, but it's still a demonstration because the ball traveled down the table, hit the other ball, which was an inelastic collision, but then that ball hit the bumper, which was an elastic collision because the bumper gives in. Now, the balls would be still moving if there wasn't any friction, because with the friction it stops the movement, and as the law of conservation of energy says, energy initial equals energy final without friction. But since we live in a world with friction, we can't really do that. So that's pretty much all the properties that you can demonstrate with a pool table. So, that's the end of the video.